Let's talk about the silent drain on your security operations. A significant portion of a security professional's time, roughly one-third of their workday, is dedicated to investigating alerts that either turn out to be false positives or low-priority issues. These non-threat incidents comprise about 63% of all daily alerts. This is something that overwhelms security teams, leading to burnout and critically increasing the risk of missing genuine and high-impact threats. In this environment, finding real threats has become more complex than finding needles in haystacks, often blindfolded by the sheer volume. But what if you could change that? What if your SIM didn't just collect data but actually understood it? Enabling your SOCs to focus on what truly matters. Introducing ZIA Insights, an AI-powered contextual analysis in the cloud version of Log360 Managing SIM solution. Built with Zoho's enterprise-grade ZIA platform, Log360 now transforms how security teams investigate and respond to security threats. From simple log analysis to mitigating a full-blown security incident, ZIA works behind the scenes to deliver instant contextual summaries that tell the story of what exactly is happening in your environment. With ZIA Insights, you can cut the guesswork. Forget digging through raw logs. ZIA delivers plain language summaries. For example, user John Doe logged in from an unusual location at 3 a.m. So your team gets instant clarity and can act faster as well. Focus on what matters with log categorization. ZIA Insights intelligently categorizes log into security, error, anomaly, or system events, automatically routing it to the right team or the priority queue as well. See the full picture with timeline generation. Security incidents rarely happen in isolation. What ZIA does is builds a clear timeline showing how events unfold, like a suspicious download followed by a privilege escalation attempt, making these attack chains easy to trace. Understand the adversary with MITRE ATT and CK mapping. ZIA maps activity to MITRE attack techniques, so you're not just seeing what happened, but understanding how and why, aligning your response with attacker behavior. And the last one, empowering response with potential remediation and troubleshooting tips. Let's say when a critical service down alert hits, every second counts. ZIA Insights doesn't just flag the issue, it suggests potential troubleshooting or even mitigation steps as well. So your team moves from detection to potential resolution in minimal time. Log360 ZIA Insights transform how your SOC operates, turning repetitive analysis into strategic defense. Think of it as an AI that augments human intelligence, not replace it. That's exactly what ZIA does, handling the data overload and delivering context-rich insights while your analysts stay in control, applying their expertise to validate and respond to real security threats.